Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bizum through Banco Sabadell. Bizum is a mobile payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly using your smartphone. To get started, you need to have a Banco Sabadell account and the Banco Sabadell app installed on your phone. First step is to register for Bizum. Open the Banco Sabadell app and navigate to the Payments section. Look for the Bizum option and select it. You will be asked to accept the terms and conditions, and then you will receive a verification code. Via SMS, enter the code to complete the registration process. Once you are registered, you can start using Bizum to send money. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's mobile phone number. You can also search for contacts in your phone book. Enter the amount you want to send and add a description if needed. Review the transaction details and confirm. To receive money through Bizum, you need to provide the sender with your mobile phone number. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification on your phone. You can then access the money in your Banco Sabadell account. One of the key benefits of using Bizum is that it is a fast and secure way to send and receive money. Transactions are processed instantly and the service is available 24 hours a day. Additionally, Bizum is a convenient way to split bills or pay back friends and family. To ensure the security of your transactions, make sure to keep your phone and app up to date and use a secure password or fingerprint authentication. Also, be careful when entering the recipient's phone number to avoid sending money to the wrong person. In conclusion, using Bizum through Banco Sabadell is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Bizum to send and receive money instantly. Remember to always use the service responsibly and keep your account information secure.